Alright, they say third time is a charm. Let's see if that's the case. I enabled the visualization support but did not turn the computer fully off. I just restarted it, so it was supposed to be like completely shut down. That's what I did, and then I said I'm gonna do it the another day, and now I'm back to see if it's working. So let's see if my virtual machine loads at all. No. Still the same error. Now what's good to do? Addresses, data execution. Come on. They said check the loss. Everything is checked. So that was I'm sorry, that was MSN 432 that ran on the start menu, and it is all these four values. They should be set to yes, and then you will be able to run a virtual machine, but I'm having a hard time doing so. It is frustrating. Third time was not the charm. Alright, gotta go into BIOS and take some more